Hi everyone, it's Nicole from Sydney English Teacher, and thanks for joining me again for another tongue twister. Today we're going to look at I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. Looks easy, but believe me, when you say this faster and faster, it gets more and more difficult. Let's give it a go, nice and slow to start off with. I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. 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 Oh, that's so hard. You try it. It's not that easy, is it? I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. I wish to wash. I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. So you can see it's not that easy. So we need to practice saying it clearly and carefully, but also quickly, but not changing the words or the sounds, of course. I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. There you go. I'd like you to try and practice that at home on your own, and stay tuned for another tongue twister coming again really soon. Thanks for listening, everyone. Bye.